In today's video, we check out some Bakugan. I don't know. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. Today I'm with my kids and we're going to check out my son's Bakugan. He really wanted to do a video on this, so we're going to do a video. I think it's just like action figures and it has cards. And cards.
Like a stamp.
And
There's like a stamp.
yeah.
And there's like
Oh, those are the cards.
no, look, Dad, right here. No, right here.
Oh my god, okay.
If there's like a stamp or something.
Okay. Well, let's open it up and see what it is.
Let's open it. Another Christmas gift.
Yes.
Dun, dun,
Yes,
dun.
My son Mac waited this whole time for us to do this so we could do a video. They're opening it up.
Yeah. This whole.
Yeah, see, it is a card. They got cards here. Why don't we open these up?
This looks like a matching game.
Yeah, honestly, I have no idea. I have not checked this out. We're just doing an unboxing of this game, or this
Or just
action figures.
all of the Bakugan's personalities. How many Bakugans does it come with? Oh, it is.
That's just cards. I don't know what they.
Kind of like a matching game.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, dude, it has more than just the ones that we got. Look. No, it's them doing stuff. There. Look, Judy, it's them doing stuff. And the Bakugan now. Wow. One. Ooh. Oh, I don't know how to get them out of this phone.
Okay, let's look at this.
Oh. Weird. Oh, Judy, look.
Okay,
Wait.
let's see what this says.
Judy, look.
This includes 2 character cards, 4 ability cards, 2 Bakugans, 2 Baku Gears, and 4 Baku Cores.
I think these are the Baku cores.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes, that must be it. I don't know.
Oh, Judy, mine is 250 plus 250 B. That's how much
Here.
mine is. And
Let me see
plus
that.
40
Oh.
punch.
Let me see yours, Mackie, and we'll see if I can figure out what I'm doing here.
They look at, this is what they look
I see.
at this.
I know, ain't that
And
crazy?
this.
Okay, this is the box. Okay, where's your little toy, your weapons? Here,
Weapon? Oh, that's my weapon?
I think so.
Weapon? They don't really work. Does this
No,
like
son. Look, see?
came out
There you go.
Oh, they can help you?
Well, yeah, that's what they go on, I think.
Let's see what this is. Judy, look at the orange one and turn that one around.
Oh.
Can I see how it is?
Hold on, Mackie.
Oh, it's a shield. You can see all the other ones, Judy? No, I've seen all of them. Look at these. I know. Bakugan!
Yeah.
I could turn them into a little ball.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm trying to do here. You like this? You like this? I think. No, that's wrong. Yeah, see? There's your little ball. Yeah. See, Mackie?
And Bakugan cards! Red one!
I don't know. Oh!
Oh, Judy!
The red ones, yes. It has a magnet or something in it.
I figured out how to do the ball, Judy!
Yeah. Oh.
Judy?
There you go.
You're kind of... Oh, I think this... Judy, I think this is your kind of a ball, Judy. Roll it on there, or it's a ball. Change it into a ball. One of them is for you, and it's cool. You.
Yeah. And these are the little weapons. Did you have to put your weapons on, Judy?
No, I don't know how.
Let me see it. Now I'll show you.
Okay. Like you try.
Oh, you got
Judy,
it.
want to see how to wing the
There you
ball?
Yeah, this one for sure does it.
Yeah, want to see that mine does it?
And then you have, but you cannot listen. But you cannot put them together with the weapons on, I guess. Let me see. Hold on.
What? Daddy, the simple one is not working.
You have to have them all the way complete. There you go.
Dad! Does that scare you? Yeah, it scared me too.
All right. Now at least we figured out how they come out of the ball.
I want him to be the ball.
Where's the other pink?
I want
Purple?
him to be the ball.
Well, okay. So basically, it's just
Collectible.
they're collectibles, but it's kind of like a game, I think, also a card game. That's what I hear, but you know,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, this is the one. I don't find his weapon fine.
There he is.
Oh, how do you get him into the ball all the way?
I will try some.
Weapons
Get
out.
this out of
Give me
here.
the ball.
But you guys, yeah, it's hard. It's kind of hard to do that
The weak one. I'm going to do the weakest one.
because you got to put them all
That would be the
together.
hardest. Not this one.
Oh, that ain't gonna work. Dang it.
Yeah, I know. It's so hard. No. I was wanting to do on the just.
I know that, but I'm trying to get them in a ball.
Okay.
See, you got to put the head down first. It looks like.
Okay.
Then these, maybe.
Cause I can.
Yeah. See.
Okay, you can do.
I keep.
I didn't try with the head first. Wanna see me do it? Where's the light?
There you go.
Oh, there!
Yeah.
Can I have the red one? That's the goodest one, the red.
Isn't that crazy? Yes.
Okay, heck.
Well, there you go. Still don't know what they are. They're figures, and I assume it's a game. If you guys know what it is, please, or help us with it, because it came with cards too.
Yeah.
Please leave a comment down below
Judy, there's
And,
an orange one. And let's get this
what it is, and well, so do you like it, Mac?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, there it went.
Alright.
Judy, try the orange one.
All right. Remember, watch a new video every week. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Dad Life Projects, or email me at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. Since you're here, why don't you check out these two videos right here? Hit that subscribe button and like button. And remember, any project you do, you are the project manager. Thank you.